Today in the Studio 5 Project Corner, a bit of kitchen crafting that will light up your creative side. Yes, you could say the Project Corner is lit. On this Tuesday, we're suggesting you pull out that mega jar of shortening stashed at the back of the cupboard and then use it to pour yourself a collection of cheery handmade candles. And yes, I'm saying Crisco instead of wax. These bright jars take minutes to make and they cost just pennies. It's an idea that comes to us from Audrey Kuether at Oh So Lovely. She is joining me via Skype. Hello, Audrey. How are you?
Hi.
Yeah, a lot of people were cleaning out their ears on that one. Crisco, what inspired you to reach in the back of the cupboard for this crafting supply?
Yeah, I've always wanted to make candles, but I've always been so intimidated by, trying to get out the wax and go through all the process. And then I found that you could use Crisco. So I knew I had some on hand, so I thought, why not give it a try?
What are you going to do with these cute candles that you make?
I love burning candles all the time, so I'm going to have some at work. I already have some burning at my house, and I feel like they would make really great hostess gifts, birthday gifts, you name it.
Oh, they're so bright and cheery. They're darling. Yeah, I think the girlfriend gift idea is an obvious one. What would you say is the cost to make these, Audrey?
I would say 50 cents or so each, depending on the size candle you make. If you're making a medium-sized one, I'd say you're good to go around 50 cents, so it's very affordable.
Okay, affordable, but yeah, you say, let's make a candle, and I think a lot of women are like, okay, that sounds really intimidating. So what do we need to know to make one of our own?
Yeah, it's really actually pretty easy. Really, if you want to have a candle that has a pretty color to it and that has a good smell, which I think are key to a candle, you want to scour your kid's crayon box and take a couple in colors that you would like, and then get your favorite essential oil. And really, other than that, and ordering a wick kit from Amazon, I have links to it on my blog post that you want to quickly be able to shop for them. It's really easy. Besides that, you only need a couple of household appliances like a spoon, a microwave, a mixing cup. It's really, everything is on hand if you already have essential oils.
So reaching in the crayon box for the color, you're going to melt down that wax and mix it with the Crisco?
Yeah, so once your wax is melted, then you start break your crayon into a few different pieces, and you'll want to put it in there and then just start stirring it in until it melts, and it melts pretty quickly. If you ever run into it not melting, you could always throw it back in the microwave for another 10, 15 seconds. And then after that, you just mix in your essential oils. So it's really
the essential oils I have to ask you about, because I buy my candle obviously according to scent. I mean, I love the ambiance, I love a little decorating pop of color, but it really is the smell that pulls me in. So what essential oil combinations or fragrances do you find burn really well?
Yeah, I personally love lavender, but I also really like lemon. I kind of did a citrus option and a lavender option.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I started getting creative with some others. You can mix and match them too. You just experiment with it and see what you like.
And I understand you made a variation on this recipe, if you will, with soy?
Yeah, I thought now that I've mastered this, I want to go ahead and try the soy wax. So I got a quick order on Amazon, got it in a couple days, and it's really the exact same process as using Crisco instead, but the melting process takes a couple minutes longer. You can either do the microwave or you can do it in like a saucepan that has boiling water in it and melt it down that way. But other than that, it's the exact same steps.
Okay, I'm intrigued, and you are stepping it out for us on your website. Where can we access that tutorial?
Yeah, ohsolovelyblog.com. We have both tutorials up there right now.
We'll look for it. Thank you so much, Audrey. We appreciate it.
Thank you.